Good morning, students. Today we're going to start a new chapter, that is metal and non-metals. First of all, I'm going to tell you about what is metals and non-metals. As we know, everything around us is called matter, which occupies an space and has got mass in it. Matter are further categorized into two categories, that is a pure substances and a mixture. Pure substances are further subcategorized into two categories, that is an element and compound, and mixture are of homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. What is the mixture? Mixture are the random blend of two or more substances. When they are mixed together in an indefinite proportion, they form a mixture. Mixture are of two types, that is homogeneous and heterogeneous. For example, of homogeneous mixture, if we dissolve sugar in water, it completely dissolves in it and forms a homogeneous solution. And heterogeneous solution are those solution in which, or heterogeneous mixture we can say, in which if we dissolve two things together, that is if we dissolve sand in a water, it doesn't dissolve in it and it forms a heterogeneous solution, and it is an example of heterogeneous mixture. Now let's come to the pure substances. Pure substances are subcategorized into two categories, that is an element and compound. Element are the purest form and it contains the same kind of atoms in it. But in compound, they are also pure, but they have formed by the two or more elements that are mixed together in a definite proportion and make a compound. For example, water. It is a compound having two molecules of hydrogen and one molecule of oxygen in it, and it in which the oxygen and hydrogen molecule in a definite proportion are come together and form a compound, a molecule of water. So they are the compound. But in the element, the atom present in it all are of same type. There are about 118 elements found. 70 of them are metals and 22 of them are non-metals, and few of them are metalloids. Element is further categorized into three categories, that is metals, non-metals and metalloids. What are the metalloids? Metalloids are placed in between the metals and non-metals because they have a property of both metals and non-metals. And some example of metalloids are silicon and germanium.